Welcome friends. Today our topic is paint bucket tool and gradient tool. So first we are going to see about gradient tool. So in generally gradient is some combination of more than one colors, so blended together form a new dimension. So first we will start off with gradient tool to create a gradual blend between multiple colors. So first we will select the gradient tool. So we have a default presets, select any one of the presets. So have to make a starting point and ending point, so in between the color is being applied. So this one is second one, so this one is angular gradient tool. So first one is the linear gradient tool. So select default one from the preset, this is angular one. So if you want to change some other preset, you can change the presets. So these are the default presets. So if you want to change presets into a new one, so you can have the possible also. So if you want to reduce the colors, so you can reduce the contrast of the color, as well as you can see the difference. So now I am taking a default preset. So now I just wanted to change this yellow into blue. So I'm just choosing starting with blue, ending with yellow, ending with orange. So this is how the preset is being created. So if you want to extend the blue color, then you can have the possibilities, increase the blue value. So this is how the color is being applied. So first one is the linear gradient. So this one is linear gradient, it's a straight line from the starting point to end point. So next one is the angular gradient, it's a clockwise sweep around the starting point to end point. This is angular gradient. And similarly we have a reflected gradient and diamond gradient. The reflexive gradient mirror the linear gradient either side of the starting point. And we have a diamond gradient also. So this one is diamond gradient. So it's a middle outer corner of the diamond, right? So these are the mode options, you can use mode options. So we have our opacity. So now the opacity is being reduced, so you can feel the difference. I'm taking any one of the preset, so I have reduced the opacity. So by default I'm just taking 45, so the color is being reduced, the pattern is being reduced. If I increase the same, so how it is differentiated from the previous one. So now I'm just reducing. Now I am applying the gradient. So same gradient, but the opacity is reduced to 30%. So this is how gradient tool works in the Photoshop. Now we move on to the next tool, paint tool. So mostly it is used in the background, as well as in the text as well. So now it is applied in the background. So we have opacity, so we can reduce the opacity. The same blue color, now the opacity is reduced 30%, same blue color. So how it is differentiated from the previous one? So click the paint bucket, so you can reduce the opacity and apply in the surface. So if you want to change some other color, you can have a now I have choose indigo color. I'm just applying the indigo. Go to paint bucket, so click on the surface. Now we can have the indigo color, violet color. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you, keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you all.